everyone would like a lush green lawn like this, but growing grass seed in difficult areas such as along lawn edges, under the shade of a tree, in direct sun, or trampled areas like paths or where the kids play can be quite tough. But here's a simple solution to grow grass anywhere. This amazing new product from Miracle-Gro, Patch Magic, contains a unique mix of high-performance grass seed, Miracle-Gro plant food, and a super absorbent growing material that actually expands the surround and protect the seed. First, remove any dead grass, fallen leaves, stones, and loosen the soil. You can treat damaged or worn areas of grass with one easy application. Just spread it over the area of bare soil about 3 millimeters deep. If it's not looking like rain, which it isn't today, then you'll have to apply water. As Patch Magic dries, it will turn a lighter brown, so you know exactly when to water next. So there you have it. Sprinkle on Patch Magic, keep it watered in, and you'll have a patch-free lawn before you know it.